right, so we did 3 passes with welding already, with the welding machine, and so we did about a foot in the third. So we have all this way to go, but we did this with 3 passes already, so that's good. Normally we have to do a first pass, second, and a third pass. So this whole section will be done, and the walls should be done in about 8 days. Should be complete. So I'm going to pull the camera a little bit closer so you can see this. So this edge here, this is going to be our wall, and it will go from this point here, either this one or this one, I'm not sure which one, and all the way around to this mark, and you can see the line where the wall is going to be. So this is going to be pretty cool, and you'll see that there's a ledge here. There's like a 30 centimeter, almost 30 centimeter ledge, and that is for us to put the 3D printed coral on. So that's kind of a shelf for the coral, for a coral garden. Okay, so let's take a close look at the this is our welding machine. You see it has this little nozzle here. That's where the welding material comes out of. So this sample here is the line that goes inside that welding machine, and that's what the first. You can see there's 3 different levels here. There's the bottom one here. There's the second pass, and this is the third pass. So the first pass is made with this material, and then the second pass and the third pass is made with this material. This is thicker. Oops. It's actually about the same. It looks thicker, but it's actually about the same. But this, you can weld a lot faster with this one. But there's a certain order that we have to go in for just the way that it needs to be made. So yeah, it's coming along really nicely, and it's kind of interesting that you have to have 3 different passes, and there are different materials. Some are specially for ocean environments, so that's why you want to have certain materials on the water side that's going to be exposed to water all the time. It just gives it a little bit more resilience. And here's our welding handle, and then the machines are over there.